Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to teach you about the development of lateral surface of right portion of a cylinder of diameter 50 millimeter and height 60 millimeter. It's cut by a perpendicular plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 60 degree to the HP. Okay, so here we are giving one cylinder, right? Cylinder means it's a two bases having circular section. Okay, circular bases, two bases, and there is no slant edges here, only curved surfaces are there on the lateral side. So when the cylinder is lying on HP and it is going to cut with a plane which is perpendicular to HP, perpendicular to VP, right? Perpendicular to VP. Therefore, so front view becomes a straight line, and in the inclined to the HP, it is inclined to the HP and perpendicular to VP. It is going to cut this cylinder, and we have to draw the development of right portion. After sectioning the right portion, we are going to develop in this problem. Okay, how to draw this? So here, the top view, the circle will be visible. So I draw the circle. So here, the diameter of the circle is 50 millimeter. Now I mark here. Diameter of the circle is 50. Diameter is 50 millimeter. Then I project this to get the front view. Okay. Then what is the height of the cylinder is 65 millimeter. I measure the height 65 millimeter and mark here. The height of the cylinder is 65 millimeter, and then here the height is 65 millimeter. This is the front. So here I have to mark this the dark edges. So actually for a cylinder, this is only the projection. Top view circle is there, front view and rectangle will be there. This is only the projection. But in order to find the section points and in order to get the section in a smooth curve, we have to divide into 12 number of equal segments. I am going to create slant edges. Face edges, but actually for cylinder there is no edges here, only smooth surface is there. So only outer side only one rectangle is visible in the front view. So top view only circle is there. So I divide this section into 12 segments. Okay, divide this into 12 segments. I am going to create face edges so that I can able to mark the cutting edges and we can able to develop easy. So next I mark the height over here. So height of the cylinder is 65 mm. Okay. Now, so how to divide this into 12 equal segments? So for that I have to draw one horizontal line through the center. Draw one horizontal line through the center and one vertical line through the center. I can project this vertical line towards the front view so that it will give our axis. Okay. This is our axis. Then measure this radius of the circle in the compass. And keep here and mark 2 points. Then mark the edge numbering. Top we have 12. So top circle I divided into 12. Similarly, bottom circle also 12 points are there. So mark the names over here. So here it is A, B, and L. Then here M hidden bottom base. X. All edges. I project this to the front view. So here points are, here only one point which is M dash. Here we have 2 points. One is N and another one is X. N dash, X dash is hidden. M N O P dash, Q dash, R dash and S dash. Then after that T dash. Yes, yes. So top here A dash, B dash, C dash, then H dash, okay. So I mark the top and front views. Then go for sectioning. So here a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 60 degree to the base. Base is in HP, inclined to HP. Therefore, theta is given as 60 degree. Passing through the axis at a height of 40 millimeter above the base. 40 millimeter above the base means, so here is the base, this is an axis. So it is going to meet the axis 40 millimeter above the base. 40 millimeter, this is 65, so I may take 40 millimeter over here. So at 40 millimeter, I draw one horizontal line. So this distance is 40 millimeter. 40 here. So okay. Then what's the angle? So it is making an angle of 60 degree with the base, right? 60 degree. So the angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60. Okay. Then section points. Section points are, what are the section points? First, here one point, second point, third, fourth, and fifth, 6 places. It is going to cut in 6 places. So first point is here. Here we have 2 edges. It is cutting on the base. So base means AB and MX. AB and MX. So and here also we have 2 edges. One edge is NB, another edge is XL. So here also another edge O dash, C dash, and W dash and K dash. So all the edges have 2. So one is visible and the rear, another one is hidden. So I mark the visible edges 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. Then after I mark the hidden edges 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and here also 12 dash also. So we have 12 section points. One by one we will mark. Then how to mark the edges. So then bring this towards down. I bring towards down here. So I also 6 also I bring towards down to mark in the front. So here the point is, so this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. So this point is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, finally 12. So we have 12 points. In the top we also mark the 12 points. Then draw the development. So how to develop this means, so develop this, for that I section at this point and I am going to spread out. So for that what I have to do is, first draw one line, parallel line here, draw one line here, then project this. Then from here I mark the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is pi d, isn't it? So pi means 22 by 7 into diameter value is 50. So we will get 157.1 millimeter is the circumference of the circle. So I mark 157.5 here. Okay, measure 157 and mark another edge over here. Okay, so I mark after this 157. So this is the development. I am going to cut here and spread over this plane surface. Then I mark all these 12 edges here. So here in the circle, I divide this circumference into 12 segments. So I spread over here. This circumference also I have to divide into 12 equal segments. For that, what I have to do is, from the starting line, from here to here, I have to divide into 12 segments. From the starting, I draw one inclined line. From the starting, I draw one inclined line. Okay. So in the inclined line, mark 12 equal segments. Take 10 or 20 millimeter in the canvas and divide into 12. Okay. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, all the points. So 12 points I keep. Then the last and the last segments I connect. Then draw parallel lines for this line through all the points. Okay, I divided it into 12 equal segments. 12 equal segments. So then now point like this. So point out, what are the point is here. So this point is M. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Once again, M will come. So I divide this also in 12 equal segments. Then draw vertical lines. Okay, draw the vertical lines. Okay, I draw the vertical lines. So these points are A, B, C. Once again, A will come. Last A and A will be come. Then, very important, I dimension this. What's the length of this? So this is, what is the value of this? So here it is pi d value. Pi d is equal to 151.57.1. Pi d value I marked here. Then section points. So how to mark the section points? So I project all these lines towards the so then mark the points. So here this point, this projector is from 2 and 11, isn't it? This line is from 2 dash and 2 and 11. And 2 is the point in this edge. Okay, this edge means what is this? N B. N B. So this edge N B. N B. So 2 is in the point in N B. So N B. So I mark this. This is 2. Then here another one, 11, isn't it? 11 is the hidden edge. That means X dash and L dash. So here X L. So this point. So this is 11. Okay, I mark 2 and 11. Then this point is, this line is 3 and 10. 3 is a point in C. So here is M and O. O C. So here O C. O C. So 3 point. Three. Okay. Then 10. 10 is a hidden point in K W. So here K W. This point is 10. Okay. So this 4 and 9. 4 is the section point in D P. So D P. So this point is 4. Okay, 4. So here already we used 1, 2, 3 here. So I can mark 1, 1, 2, 1 like that. I can mark. Then 9. 9 means J and what is this? J and V. JV. So here is JV. So this point is 9. Then what is that? 5 and 8. 5 means Q, E. 5 means, so here E and Q. So E, Q. So this point is 5. And 7 is in U, I. U, I. So this point is 7. Okay. Then remaining is 6. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 6 and 7. So here it is 5 and 8, right? So 5 and 8. 5 and 8 here. Then we didn't mark this point and this point. This point is 1 and 12. Okay, 1 and 12. So this point is 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So these 4 points we didn't mark. So this point is in the base. So here cutting takes place in the base. But these edges are in the base edges. We can directly project. But this point is cutting in the base. Base means this one point I am projecting towards here. So here it is 1. It is AB. It is in AB. 1 is in AB. Visible, isn't it? 1 is in AB. So here AB is where it is M, N. So I mark this distance. Okay. Mark this distance A to B, that is M to N. M to N I mark. Measure M to N distance in the topping, and here I mark M to N. So this point is our 1. Okay, so here also we have XM also. Then XM. XM means this point is 12. Okay. M to X it is 12. So I mark this distance. M to X. So M to X I mark here is in the base. This is 12. So 1 and 12 over. Then here look at this. Here look at this. So this point is 5 and 6. So here 5 means where it is here, here it is. Okay, 6 and 7, 6 is here. So I measure E to 6, EF. E to 6, E to F. So here also I have to measure E to F. This point is 6. Then 7. 7 means H I, isn't it? H I. So I measure from H to I, which is the distance. H to 7. H to I. This distance. This distance is, this point is 7. So now we mark all the edges. So base edges, the point in the bases we measure from base only. Now we can connect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 with the smooth curve. Okay. Here also we can connect with smooth curve. Okay. Then lower portion means this portion only we are going to develop. This portion no need to develop. So this portion only needed. So I mark this. So this is the development. This portion only we have to mark in dark, because the right side portion only we are going to develop. These left side remaining portions are no need to develop in this section. This is how we finish the problem. Okay. Here we have to notice that we have to mark this pi d is equal to 157.7, and also we have to mark the height, and we also mark the dimensions, and also the angle also 60 degree. Okay.